Picture this. You're sitting across from her. Same woman, same face, same voice. But something is gone. She's listening. But she's not listening. Her eyes don't search yours anymore. Her smile comes late. Or not at all. And in that moment, brother, your body feels it before your mind can explain it. A quiet drop in the stomach. A biological alarm. What I'm about to tell you is uncomfortable. But once you see it, you can't unsee it. Every woman has a moment where her brain decides. Not emotionally, neurologically. Attraction isn't romantic. It's chemical. Dopamine. Certainty. Safety under pressure. The moment you start explaining yourself, justifying your tone, overcorrecting your words, her nervous system flags you as unstable, not dangerous, predictable. And predictable men don't create polarity. They create comfort. And comfort without strength kills desire. You notice it in small ways. She interrupts you, she teases you, not playfully, but dismissively. She stops asking your opinion. She delays replies she once rushed to send. You start performing, trying to win back something that already left. Every man ignores these signs because hope floods the brain with dopamine and blinds judgment. I've seen it hundreds of times. Case 1. A man becomes emotionally available too early, shares fears before building respect. She says, "I love how open you are," then slowly pulls away. Case 2. A man changes himself to keep her, adjusts boundaries, lowers standards. She doesn't feel closer. She feels bored. This isn't cruelty. It's programming. Women don't fall out of love. They fall out of alignment. Their brain is hardwired to scan for men who remain calm in chaos, who don't negotiate their identity, who don't chase emotional reassurance. The moment you abandon your frame, her attraction collapses, silently. No argument, no warning, just a switch. Then comes the line every man remembers. "You're a great guy." But that sentence isn't confusion, it's closure. By the time she says it, she's already gone. You're left replaying conversations while she's already detached. Here's the truth no one says. Attraction cannot be negotiated. Love does not reward effort, and being good doesn't make you chosen. Respect is felt, or it isn't. And once you're no longer that guy, words can't save you. But here's where power returns. You stop explaining. You stop chasing clarity. You stop needing to be understood. You rebuild your center, your life, your mission. And paradoxically, when you no longer need to be chosen, you become dangerous again. That's the moment the world shifts back in your favor.